In this video, I'm making a power bank using a can. It's all modular, so anybody who has some basic soldering skills can make this very easily. Let's get started. We need 4 things to make this power bank: a battery charger, and a voltage booster, and of course a can. Solder the red wire on the positive side of the battery and the black wire on the negative side of the battery. Now we can solder the other end of the red wire to the charger board, bat plus, and black wire on the bat minus. Now we can charge a battery by connecting a mini USB. It usually takes about an hour to fully charge the battery. This battery can provide 3.7 volts, which is not enough for the phone to charge. That is why we need a voltage booster to step up the 3.7 volts into 5 volts. It can go above 5 volts, but in this case we only need 5 volts for the phone to charge. Solder another red wire on the positive side of the battery and a black wire on the negative side of the battery. Now solder the red wire on the in plus of the voltage booster and black wire on the in minus. Now we can set up the multimeter on the output side of the voltage booster, and we can turn the trimmer potentiometer. We can increase the voltage. Stop turning when you see 5 volts on the multimeter. Now we need the female USB socket, which I salvaged from an old USB hub. To charge the phone a bit quickly, we need to solder the data pin together and solder the red wire on the left and black wire on the right of the USB socket. Now I gave it a quick test and it works. Now we need to work on the can. First we need to cut the top section of the can and make 2 holes, one for the USB and one for the charger. Now I used some electrical tape around the USB for isolation and glued it on the lid and repeated the process for the charger board. Now we can solder the connection to the charger board and the USB. And after giving it a quick test, I taped it all up and put it inside the can and sealed the can with some electrical tape. There you have it, a DIY power bank. This charges my phone 1.5 times and it charges my phone a bit faster than my actual charger. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Hope you guys found this video interesting. Please share this video on Facebook, Twitter, and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, stay safe and I will see you guys in the next video.